Hello everyone, nice to meet you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Nur Aini and I'm a student from Dian Nusantara University. Today I will explain you about financial statement of accounting. Introduction of the topic. In this presentation, I will discuss about financial statement of accounting, included definition, function or purpose, constituent of financial statement, and example of the format that usually used in accordance with applicable accounting standard. So what is financial statement? In simple terms, a financial statement is a record that contains formal information about the financial activity and financial position of a business, person, or other entity in one accounting period. They provide information about the entity asset, liability, equity, income, and expenses. Financial statements are used by investors, creditors, and other interest parties to assess the entity financial health and performance. And there's three purposes the financial statement. First one is for decision making. In business, for all parties, financial statements are the basis for the decision making process. This process usually really depends on the performance and financial activity listed in the financial reports. The second is for financial analysis. Financial statements are also used as the main consideration in business financial analysis, and generally in the analysis component included financial condition, company value, as well as profit and losses. The third is providing capital or loans. In this case, the role of financial statement is a medium or material that can be submitted to financial institutions or banks to apply for capital loans. There's four constituents of financial statement. First one is balance sheet. The balance sheet shows the entity asset, liability, and equity at specific point in time. The second is income statement. It shows how the entity revenue, expenses, and profit over a period of time. It is a measure of the entity profitability. The third is statement of changes in equity. It shows how capital increase or decrease depending on the profit or additional capital obtained. The last is cash flow statement. Is show how the entity cash inflow and outflow over a period time. It is a measure of entity liquidity. This is the example for a balance sheet. The balance sheet consists of three components, namely asset in the left side and liability and equity in the right side. This is the example for the format income statement. There's four key items that we will focus on in here. First one is revenue and expenses, gain, and then losses. And this is the example for statement of changes in equity. As you can see, the statement of changes in equity is financial report that report changes in equity from net or profit loss, and then from owner investment and withdrawals over a certain period of time. And the last, this is an example for cash flow statement. There are two methods of calculating cash flow. The first one is direct method and the last one is indirect method. The main component of a cash flow are from operating, investing, and financing activities. And the last, the conclusion of our topic is a financial statement is a record that contains formal information about the financial activities and financial position. Also important for all the parties who contribute in business, personal, or other entity. A financial statement is have a few function or purpose included for a decision making, financial analysis, or providing loans. There's four constituents of financial statement consists a balance sheet, income statement, statement of changes in equity, and cash flow statement. Okay, I think that's all enough from me. Thank you for your attention and bye-bye.